So you realized, yes, you do have some peach fuzz on your face. Yes, ladies, we do. And maybe you've thought about dermaplaning and, looked at some tools or going to get it done, but didn't quite want to spend that price tag. Well, I have something for you that will get that peach fuzz off effectively and will not break the bank. Hello, if you are new here, hi, my name is Stacy. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming on back. Today we're talking about Jill razors. So first of all, I did receive this complimentary from the brand. This is the Jill starter kit with pre-shave magic wipes. So what you get in it is comes in this nice container, the razor does. One of the things that I did like about this too is it comes with a longer razor and then a shorter one. So the shorter one I used for above my lips, and then right here, easy, they just pop in and out to replace the blade. You do want to use a new blade each time. So just to show you the difference, here is the larger one and then here is the smaller blade. In the starter kit, you get the razor, the two blades, the little cloth thing here. That kit is $29.99 with free shipping. To get the refill blades, that is $8.99 that's $8.99 plus shipping. If you sign up for the membership, if you just want to do a one-time purchase each time, that is $13. This one, you don't want to shave your face dry. You use the wipes to make sure that you're getting, a smooth shave, and then you wipe it off on this cloth to kind of get the gunk off. And I will admit, the first time I did this, I was surprised at how much gunk came off. My skin felt super soft though afterwards. It's about time to do it again. And if you do want to try these out, I do have a discount code for you guys. You can get 10% off with the link down below and using the code Stacy, STACI 10. All that information will be listed down below. And then if you would like to, you can also recycle the blades. You just pull the metal part out with the tweezer and then the plastic is recyclable. Let me insert some footage of me doing it so that you can see the process, and then we'll come on back. Number 1, skin prep. Clean with a mild foaming cleanser. So I've already done that. And then you use the magic wipes or another facial oil of your choice. I was watching some videos on tutorials and they said to make sure that the facial oils don't have any harsh ingredients, like you don't want a retinol or anything like that that's maybe going to irritate the skin. Then when you go to shave, you want to hold the razor at 45-degree angle, pull the skin tight, and you do short downward shaves in the direction the hair grows. Then you're supposed to wipe it off on the gunk pad every 3 to 4 strokes. Okay, let's try this. Here is the long razor for your face, and then here is the short razor. This feels like a very silky cloth. I'm gonna open this. I'm excited. Okay, so unfold, and it feels kind of like what were those called? Like if you go to a restaurant and you're eating like ribs or something and they give you that. I'm just gonna wipe it where I'm doing it first. There is a little bit of a scent to it. You can see that it doesn't, like, it's not dripping liquid or anything, but you can see if you look on my hands, there was some, it's a little bit of oil. I know I've watched the videos, but I thought, I'm not gonna have that much. also acts as an exfoliator, so even though you may not have a lot of hair on your forehead, you still want to do it up there. It's like what you see in the videos. You can actually see the hair like that. The line. I think you can see like right here, even to like right here, how different the texture is. And on my chin, I haven't done that yet. So then after you're completely done, you want to nourish your skin, nourish with facial serum, moisturizer, or oil. And again, you want to use a gentle one, nothing with like retinol or, you know, harsh chemical ingredients. I'm going to use from Kinship. This is their Super Mellow Hydrating Gel Cream. My skin does feel a little like tingling around this area, but again, that's where I'm always sensitive. If I do have any sensitivity, I don't really have sensitive skin, but if I have any, it's going to be that area. And this is a cooling moisturizer just in general, so I think it'll feel really nice. Oh, that feels really good. Oh my gosh. Okay, seriously. It just like glides over. Ooh. Wow. All right, all right. I have dry skin, and that is a moisturizing cream anyway, but like, look at how moisturized my skin looks. What did you think? Have you done this process before? And does this look like something that you are interested in trying out? It's amazing how much peach fuzz us ladies can have on our face. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I think that you will also enjoy this one next. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good rest of your day. Bye.